Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. Today we are going to look at this cue card. Describe something that help you to concentrate. You should say what it is, how did you learn about it, and how it helps you concentrate. So without wasting time, let's begin. In this contemporary era, life is full of hectic activities. It looks as if there is too much to do and too little time. So, concentrating on one thing and doing it nicely has become a daunting task. I have tried many things to help me concentrate. Sometimes I take a power nap and sometimes I do yoga. Here I would like to talk about a method which I tried to improve my concentration and it has worked for me. It is meditation. Meditation is the best technique to focus mind. I started doing meditation when I was in 6th grade. My science teacher always encouraged us to do meditation early morning. Initially, I used to sit quietly and close my eyes for a few minutes. Then I started increasing time of meditation. It is really helpful to get rid of stress from my body and mind. It helps me to concentrate. It is also beneficial for the development of mental faculty as after meditation, mind is relaxed and stress free. Then it can focus on different matters by using a calm approach. Meditation does not have to be long or for a particular time. Anyone can start it for as much time as one wants. Thus, I practice it different times of a day. Usually I perform it after waking up and I also do it during short break at office. Moreover, it is an effective tool for relaxations. All my limbs and body parts become relaxed when I am in deep level as I have been practicing for long. I could reach deep meditation within a few seconds. The meditation process is simple and requires no extra initiative to perform. When the stress becomes intolerable for me during my work or in any other situation, I usually meditate to remove the stress from my body and mind. So, this is a thing that helps me to concentrate. I believe that everyone must meditate to have peace in life as people are grappling with different problems these days. If you like this video, then please share it with your friends. And thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.